sure your video is informative, entertaining, and valuable to your audience. The content should be unique, high quality, and should have a strong message that resonates with the viewers. Optimize your video for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags to help your video rank higher in YouTube search results. Also, make sure your thumbnail is visually appealing and represents your content accurately. Promote your video on social media. Share your video on your social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Encourage your followers to share and engage with your content. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help you reach a wider audience and increase your chances of going viral. Find YouTubers who have a similar audience and collaborate on a video or project together. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and engage with your viewers to build a community around your content. This will encourage your viewers to share your content and help it go viral.